He tau Poike, he tau Hāwere tēnei mo te kai waiata pāo Māori rā mō Kings. I roto i te tau, kotahi nei e toru ngā kōpai waiata kua puta ake i aia. I mau ake ia i a te rina kōwhai i mua i te pō whakawhiwhi tohu e kia nei ko te Vodafone New Zealand Music Awards. Hei tēnei wiki.
So don't you worry about it.
Nā tēnei waiata nei I hauai te rongo mo tēnei pukenga rau nei, hei korokoro tui I Aotearoa.
Fire make it competition, listen. Now every goddess in there pay attention.
He oi I puta tana kōpai pūoro tuatoru, ara a Love and Ego, I ngā wiki e rua kua pahure. A koni atu I te miriona te roma ipurangi mo te kōpai nei ki runga Spotify anake.
My manager told me at the beginning of the first album, he said the Beatles are one of the only artists to release 3 or 4 albums in a year. And I was kind of like, is that a challenge? You know, that was kind of really weird spot. I think Alive, which was the single off Love, was around kind of technology and how it's taken over in a sense. And then Ego, the song Six Figures, which was about spending money and stuff, was just like a complete contrast of ideas.
I te tau nei e toru ana kōpai pūoro kua puta, a koni atu I te tekau miriona te tatau, I ngā roma ipurangi I ngā pai pūoro ipurangi. Aha koa tōna rongonui, kōna waiwai e u tonu ana ki te whenua.
I think this will always be home. Like, in terms of where I create, this space has been like, my granddad built it. I can still hear karangas outside and like reminds me that my culture is well and truly next door.
We barely had the money to go have some Nike shoe pair.
You're making those 6 figures now.
Oh, you have to see me at the awards, see what I'm wearing now. Oh man, definitely more money than I had 2 years ago. I was struggling to get gas money, so I mean, now I got gas money, that's good enough.
Ko whakaingoatia Kings, Jess B rātou ko Surit, I te wāhanga hip-hop mo ngā tohu pūoro o Aotearoa ka tū, hei te rāpere, te rina kōwhai, te karere.